So. Let's go. These things. Hey, a second, it's all this, that's crap. Can't lift the tank up, fuck. Hey. Shh. Jesus Christ. Yes, I can lift it up. Jesus Christ. Hold on. Be careful of that. Alright, let's go. Just the pictures. Alright, better put that back. Jesus Christ. Where'd it go? There, that's good. Stop at the right place. Alright, so yeah. Alright, let's go. I don't think this is a good video for our channel. Seriously. Careful with this shit. What's that? There we go. Pictures. I guess that's it. We're done for the video. Thanks for watching. Then let's go.
Slurring on my words. Slurring on my words. Slurring on